How to design your ideal 2025 life. Life is a canvas, and each year allows you to add meaningful strokes to create the picture of your dreams. Designing your ideal 2025 life begins with intention, self-awareness, and purposeful action. You can transform aspirations into reality by crafting a clear vision, setting actionable goals, and committing to growth. Whether you focus on personal development, career growth, relationships, or health, 2025 can be the year you create a life that aligns with your values and dreams. This essay will guide you through the essential steps to design your ideal life for 2025. We'll explore self-reflection, goal setting, habit building, and strategies for staying motivated and resilient throughout the year. The power of designing your life. 1. Living intentionally. Life often feels like a whirlwind of responsibilities, distractions, and obligations. Without a clear plan, it's easy to drift through the days without achieving what truly matters. Designing your ideal life allows you to live intentionally, choosing actions and habits that align with your values and aspirations. It's about controlling and shaping your future rather than reacting to circumstances. 2. Turning dreams into reality. Everyone has dreams, but turning them into reality requires clarity and commitment. Designing your ideal life bridges the gap between where you are and where you want to be. By visualizing your goals and mapping out steps to achieve them, you create a pathway to success. Step 1. Reflect on your current life. 1. Evaluate your life areas. The first step in designing your ideal life is self-reflection. Take a moment to evaluate key areas of your life, such as career. Are you satisfied with your current job or business? What changes would you like to see? Health. How is your physical, mental, and emotional well-being? Relationships. Are your connections with family, friends, and partners fulfilling? Personal growth. Are you learning, evolving, and pursuing your passions? Finances. Are you on track with your financial goals, such as saving, investing, or reducing debt? Lifestyle. Does your daily routine align with the life you envision for yourself? Use a journal to jot down your thoughts and identify areas where you feel fulfilled and areas that need improvement. 2. Identify what matters most. Understanding your core values is essential for designing a life that feels authentic. Reflect on questions like, what brings me the most joy and fulfillment? What kind of impact do I want to make in the world? What am I most passionate about? Knowing what matters most will guide your decisions and priorities in 2025. Step 2. Create a vision for 2025. 1. Envision your ideal life. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life in December 2025. What does a successful and fulfilling year look like to you? Visualize specific details, such as your career accomplishments, for example, a promotion, a new business, or a creative project. Your health goals, for example, running a marathon, achieving fitness milestones, or maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Your relationships, for example, stronger bonds with loved ones or expanding your social circle. Personal achievements, for example, learning a new skill, traveling, or mastering a hobby. Write down this vision in as much detail as possible. The more precise your vision, the more motivated and focused you'll be. 2. Create a vision board. Turn your written vision into a visual one by creating a vision board. Include images, quotes, and symbols that represent your goals and dreams. Place your vision board in a spot where you'll see it daily to keep your aspirations in mind. Step 3. Set actionable goals. 1. Use the SMART framework to bring your vision to life. Set specific goals using the SMART framework. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. Measurable. Include metrics to track progress. Achievable. Set realistic and attainable goals. Relevant. Align your goals with your vision and values. Time-bound. Set deadlines to create urgency. For example, instead of saying, I want to get fit, set a goal like, I will exercise for 30 minutes 5 times a week and lose 10 pounds by June 2025. 2. Break goals into smaller steps. Significant goals can feel overwhelming, so break them into smaller, actionable steps. For example, goal: save $10,000 by the end of 2025. Steps 1. Create a monthly budget. 2. Set up automatic savings of $850 per month. 3. Cut discretionary spending by 10%. Smaller steps make progress more manageable and less daunting. Step 4. Build habits that support your vision. 1. Focus on keystone habits. Keystone habits create a ripple effect, positively influencing other areas of your life. For example, exercise improves physical health, boosts energy, and enhances mood. Morning routine sets a productive tone for the day. Journaling increases self-awareness and helps you stay focused on goals. Identify habits that align with your 2025 vision and commit to practicing them consistently. 2. Use habit tracking tools. Track your habits to stay accountable. Use tools like habit trackers, apps for example, Habitica, Streaks, or a simple checklist. Seeing your progress reinforces your commitment and motivates you to keep going. Step 5. Manage time effectively. 1. Prioritize your tasks. Time is your most valuable resource, so use it wisely. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and eliminate time-wasting activities. Use techniques like Eisenhower Matrix. Categorize tasks based on urgency and importance. Time blocking. Allocate specific time slots for focused work, self-care, and leisure. 2. Avoid procrastination. Procrastination can derail your progress. Combat it by breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks. Setting deadlines to create urgency. Rewarding yourself for completing tasks. Step 6. Stay motivated and resilient. 1. Celebrate small wins. Acknowledging your progress, no matter how small, keeps you motivated. Celebrate milestones, such as completing a project, sticking to a habit, or reaching a financial target. 2. Stay adaptable. Life is unpredictable and challenges may arise. Embrace flexibility and adapt your plans as needed. Remember, setbacks are opportunities to learn and grow. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Seek mentors, accountability partners, or supportive communities sharing your vision and values. Step 7. Reflect and reassess. 1. Review your progress regularly. Set aside time to reflect on your journey. Ask yourself, what progress have I made? What challenges have I faced? And how did I overcome them? Are my actions aligned with my vision? Regular reviews help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. 2. Update your vision. As you grow and evolve, your goals and aspirations may change. Revisit your vision board and goals periodically to reflect your current priorities. Real-life examples of life design. Designing your ideal life is not a theoretical concept, it's a practice that has transformed countless lives. From entrepreneurs building businesses to individuals achieving personal milestones, the process of intentional life design has proven its effectiveness. For example, Michelle Obama, in her memoir Becoming, she shares how setting clear intentions and staying committed to her values helped her navigate transitions and succeed. James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, he emphasizes how small, consistent habits lead to significant life changes over time. These stories highlight that anyone can design their ideal life with the right mindset and strategies. The transformative power of intentional living. Designing your ideal life for 2025 is about more than setting goals, creating a life of purpose, balance, and fulfillment. You unlock your potential and make a meaningful future by aligning your actions with your values and committing to growth. Conclusion: designing your ideal 2025 life is an empowering journey that starts with self-reflection and intentionality. By envisioning your future, setting actionable goals, building supportive habits, and staying motivated, you can create a life that aligns with your dreams and values. Remember, the process requires patience, resilience, and a commitment to continuous improvement. The year 2025 holds limitless possibilities. Start today by taking small steps toward your vision and watch as your life transforms into the masterpiece you've always imagined. The power to design your ideal life is in your hands. Make it extraordinary.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.